Today we're going to talk about hunger in the 21st century. I'm going to touch on a number of trends and issues, causes, various solutions, basically give you an overview of hunger today in this century as we know it. So a few figures again just to review where we're at. Figure more than 1 billion of the world's population are chronically hungry, and 400 million of these are children, more than the entire US population. Hunger facts. Hunger is the #1 hunger risk. It kills more people than HIV, AIDS, and malaria combined. Thousands of people die of hunger every day or hunger-related diseases. More than 100 million poor and hungry school-aged children do not go to school. Women and children are the most affected, and 1 in 6 people go to bed hungry every night. But there's more than enough food in the world to feed everyone, more than double of what's needed to feed the population of over 6 billion today. So why is hunger so prevalent? There are 4 main reasons and a new 5th one. The first is poverty, right? People do not simply have the means to buy food or to grow food to feed themselves. Natural disasters. They're prone to losing what they do have because of Mother Nature. Economic mismanagement in the countries where they live, civil and conflict, civil strife and conflict, common issue in many countries where the little that they have living on the edge, they lose when there's a civil war or some other man-made conflict. And then there is a new 5th issue, which is relatively new today, and that's food versus fuel, or what we call the perfect storm, which I'll come back to in a few moments. The idea that food for us, we would think, would be for feeding people, feeding animals, and then you eat the meat from those animals, but basically food is for feeding. Never before have we seen a phenomenon where food now is being used for fuel, that is for biofuels and such to fuel our vehicles. So there's a new competing demand for food, significant demand that we have not seen previously.